High-frequency PCB is a special circuit board with high electromagnetic frequency, and the frequency is above GHz. High-frequency PCB has very high requirements for various physical properties, accuracy, technical parameters, etc., and is commonly used in radar, military equipment, satellites, antennas, power amplifiers, and other fields. High-frequency PCB has the advantages of high efficiency, small dielectric constant, fast transmission speed, moisture resistance, and high temperature resistance. IB Electronics is a professional high-frequency PCB assembly manufacturer, which can provide one-stop services including high-frequency PCB design, manufacturing, prototype, assembly, and testing.